The critical role of power factor in modern solar inverter systems. Introduction to power factor fundamentals. The power factor, PF, is a crucial metric for evaluating the efficiency of any AC electrical system. It is mathematically defined as the ratio of real power, kW, the useful power that performs work, to apparent power, kVA, the total power supplied. Ideally, the PF should be unity, 1.0, where all delivered power is active power. Reactive power, the necessary cost. A PF less than 1 indicates the presence of reactive power, kVAR. This power component performs no useful work but is essential for creating the magnetic fields required by inductive loads, such as motors and transformers. It oscillates between the source and the load, increasing the overall current and stressing the grid infrastructure. The default role of a traditional inverter. Historically, most grid-tied photovoltaic (PV) inverters were designed to operate solely at unity power factor. Their primary function was to inject maximum active power onto the grid from the solar array. This design assumed that the grid would handle the system's overall reactive power needs. The grid challenge of high PV penetration. As solar adoption surged, the sheer volume of PV systems operating at unity PF created an unforeseen issue. While they injected large amounts of real power, they did not contribute to the system's required reactive power balance, leading to grid-side voltage regulation challenges. Smart inverters, reactive power capable. To counter this, modern inverters, often called smart inverters, are equipped with advanced capabilities. They can be programmed to actively source or sink reactive power, leading or lagging, moving away from the fixed unity PF operation to support the local grid voltage profile. Mandatory grid support requirements. Regulatory standards now mandate these advanced functions. The IEEE 1547/2018 standard, for example, requires distributed energy resources, DERs, to provide voltage regulation via reactive power injection or absorption. This elevates the inverter from a simple power source to an active grid asset. The volt-VAR control mode. One key operational mode is volt-VAR control. In this mode, the smart inverter automatically adjusts its reactive power output, VARs, based on the local grid voltage, volts. If voltage rises above a set point, the inverter absorbs VARs, acts inductively. If voltage drops, it injects VARs, acts capacitively. Economic implications for plant operators. For large-scale solar parks, maintaining a specific non-unity PF, e.g., 0.95 lagging or leading, is often a utility requirement. Failure to adhere can result in financial penalties. Conversely, a managed PF can free up inverter capacity, allowing the plant to export more billable active power, kW. Maximizing system real power output. Operating an inverter at a non-unity PF means a portion of its apparent power, kVA, capacity is used for reactive power support. Plant designers must balance grid support requirements against real power export. A compromise, such as a PF, is equal to 0.98, might be chosen to maintain grid health while maximizing billable kW. The future of inverter PF management. The future involves dynamic, communication-based PF management. Utilizing protocols like IEEE 2030.5, utilities can remotely dispatch reactive power commands to inverters in real time. This sophisticated control ensures that solar power doesn't just flow, but actively contributes to the stability and reliability of the entire modern electric grid.